Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about video recording using Open Broadcaster software OBS, which is one of the most widely used software for video recording. Now, OBS is an open source software, and so you can download it and use it freely. For that, you just type OBS and search. You can find this link here. Click on this download button. Then choose the operating system. Then click on download installer. After downloading, click on the software. Then click on next. Okay, in my system it is already installed. You have to click on next and next buttons, and last click on a finish button, and the software is installed. To use it, go to the main window and type here OBS and click on this. There are different types of videos that can be recorded using OBS. The first type of video recording, which is one of the most important, which we can use for our recorded classes, is screen recording. We have to familiarize 3 points before starting, that is sources, start recording, and show recordings. First, let us try to understand what sources are. Here you will find a plus and a minus button. If you click on the plus button, you can find the sources which can be used for video recording. If you want to add a source, click on plus button, and if you want to remove a source, uh, select that source and then click on minus button. After adding a source, click on recording, start recording, and after recording is completed, this button will become stop recording, and then click on stop recording. Now there is no sources, so click on plus button. Now click on display capture for screen recording. Click on OK. Again on OK. Then click on start recording. Now whatever I am doing on the screen is going to be recorded. You can record a class using your PowerPoint presentation. We can speak about these slides. Thus, whatever you're doing on the screen, that will be recorded. Now go back to your window and click on stop recording. then the recording will be stopped. If you go and check on show recordings, you will find the video, and on double click on the video you can view the recorded video. Now we are going to use one more source like video capture device, which is the web camera. Here web camera will start and you can start recording and your face will be displayed. Let us try with video capture device. After clicking on video capture device, click on OK and click on OK one more. You can resize it and can put it uh, anywhere like this. Then click on start recording and click on the PowerPoint presentation. Then I click on stop recording. This is screen plus face recording, and if you want that the screen should be there and no face, then what you can do is select this video capture device and then click on this minus button, and this source will be disappeared when you click on yes. Now there is only one source which is a display capture, and you can click on start recording. uh, After click on stop recording, and if you go and check on show recording, you will find the recorded video there. So this is another type of recording using OBS. Now we are using the next source. Click on this plus button again and click on image, click on OK again. Then you will find this window. You will have to select an image by click on browse. Just click on any image, click on open, then click on OK. So this static image is there. Again you can drag and drop this image to anywhere like this. You can resize it. You can see that now there are two sources, that is image and video capture device. This is one kind of recording in which image is there and the face is also there. If I start recording, the recording has been started, and after that if I click on stop recording, then it will be stopped. If you want that the image should be there and no face, then select this video capture device and then click on minus button, then click on yes, and this source will be disappear. Now there is only one source, which is an image, and you can resize it and can start recording. And this is a kind of audio recording with a static background. With this background, your voice will be recorded. Now, you can say something about this picture and click on stop recording. Then, then click on show recordings. And this is a kind of audio recording with a static background. With this background, your voice will be recorded. Now, you can say something about this picture and click on. This is just like an audio recording with background image. Now we are using the next source. Click on plus button, click on text, then click on OK. You can change the color of the text. Uh, for that, click on defaults, then click on select color, then click on OK. Then write your text here. You can change the font and can make it bold and resize it. Click on OK. There are some other settings like if you select on this, it can make uppercase, then click on OK. So this is the text. We can drag it and can resize it, and we can start recording. This is a kind of video recording. Here two sources are there, one image and one text. Let us try to add some effect on that text. For that, select this text, right click and click on filters, click on this plus button and then click on scroll, click on OK. Now we can add some effect on this text. Now I select on this, I can control this horizontal speed here, like moving this button. You can move it in the vertical direction also, like this. Click on close. Here we can see this effect. Now if you start recording, then you can see that this text is scrolling and with your voice and this background. Then you can also put one more source here. If you want your face to be there, click on this window capture device, and you can place your face here and you can start recording. In that case, there will be three sources. We can produce that scrolling effect for this image also. For that, select this image and click on filters, then click on plus scroll, click on OK. You can control the speed like this. Close, and thus we can apply that effect on this image. Now you can start recording. I hope you understand these things. Thank you.